Hello and welcome to another episode of Travel Chef. Actually, now it is summer season and it's pretty hot. So the best way to cool ourselves down is nothing but than a beautiful strawberry smoothie. So this season, we have got a lot of strawberries coming up in the market. So we thought of making a smoothie out of strawberries. And this is made with banana as well as it is made with strawberry. And we'll show you how to make it. So come on with us. Would you like to make strawberry smoothie which is tasty and healthy? We'll show you how to do it.
Hi there, we are from Travel Chef and are currently exploring our state Karnataka in search of the best travel destination, lovely homestays and the best cuisine. We love cooking and creating tasty recipes. Do join us in a journey to explore places and tasty food together with us.
To make a strawberry smoothie, we have got around 180 grams of strawberry and 1 banana, which is right. Now the second ingredient required is milk. And we have taken 250 ml of milk. Next we chop a strawberry into small pieces. Next we take a mixer. We drop in the strawberry chopped pieces into the mixer. Next we add the bananas that we have also chopped. Next we pour a little milk. So we poured some milk along with strawberries and banana. Next we're gonna run the mixie. The sweetness of the smoothie, we are adding honey. And we can also add sugar instead of honey too. But we preferred adding honey to the smoothie. Now we are adding the second teaspoon of honey too into the mixture. I include the ingredients of strawberry as well as the banana. This is to basically to enhance the sweetness of it.
After adding the honey, we mix it in the mixie for one more time for all the ingredients to blend together.
Now a smoothie can be served. Now our strawberry shake is poured in a glass. We drop in a scoop of ice cream. Usually we can use vanilla. Over here we have used a chocolate ice cream. So we have dropped in a scoop of chocolate ice cream. And the final step is to add the garnishing. So this is our strawberry smoothie, and this can be had as a refreshing drink or as a dessert. We hope you liked watching our video, and we request you to like, share and comment on them. And if you found making this strawberry smoothie recipe pretty easy, please share it with your friends. Also, please give us a thumbs up too, and this will really help us and be motivational for us to create newer and better videos. So until the next video, take care, stay safe and see you soon. Bye bye folks.